Well, I just pulled this 1946 Model L out of the tank garage. Hasn't run for a couple years. Probably 5 years, actually. But it's got a nice coating of dirt on it. And the stupid paint on the hood is really flaking off. But I wanted to bring it to Zagray Farm tomorrow. See if we could get it over there and display it. So we're gonna tow it over to the garage and see if we can get it started. All right, we got a little bit of junk in the head. We're gonna blow all this debris off. Right. Clearly Fluffy's been in the shed. All right, let's see. All right, got the spark tester on it. Let's see if she turns over. Here's compression stroke. Should be sparking. I didn't see any. Try one more time. Yeah, we gotta clean them points. We gotta take the mag off. So I got the case off the Wyco mag here. Or should I say the cover? And yeah, we got a little bit of corrosion on those points, nothing crazy. We'll hit them with the points file and test it out. Got my wire here hooked up to my vise. And let's see here. If we can get some spark out of this sucker. Oh, my impulse is not working. Bummer. Impulse, where are you? Huh. Maybe we got to take the impulse side off and free that sucker up. We got no impulse. Oh, I just saw a little spark. Oh, here's impulse. Ready? Yeah, we got to take off that impulse cover, I think. Square to some WD-40. It seems to be working good now. We're getting a spark on every turn. All right, let's put it back in the tractor. Fire it up. All right, we got the mag mounted on a machine. Now we're gonna take the gas tank fitting off the bottom of the tank, because I seem to recall that this thing used to get clogged with rust all the time. The tank's empty, so we don't have to worry about old gas. But let's take that fitting off the fuel bowl and just poke something up there and make sure it's not jammed with rust. Well, my suspicion was right. The gas tank is clogged solid here. And, or should I say the fuel sediment bowl strainer. What if we look in the tank? I can see out the bottom, so that's good. All right, we'll blow this off with some compressed air. And we'll see if we can put it together. Check this out. Oh, look at all that rust done. Oh, that's nasty. I can hear the whole tank is full of junk. Maybe I could put a vacuum cleaner in there and vacuum it out. All right, we got the shop vac out. You want to turn it on, bud? Here. Did that actually do anything? Let's see. No. No. Not really. Oh, it's gross.
That can't do anything except blow dust.
Oh, well, we'll play around some more and see if we can get that junk out. All right, we put a little bit of gas in it. I stress a little. And let's see, I checked the oil. It's got good oil. I'm gonna just spray a little bit of PB Blaster on some of these carb linkages. Let's see, I got this pivot point here, got this rusty cable. Down here we got choke linkages. Making a mess, but let's see, does it work? Yeah, it works, cool. Choke works. Now, which way is choke on? Yeah, pulling it's on. Okay, good. Now, let's get a battery for the starter cart and a socket, and let's try it out. We were leaking out of the gas tank. I luckily have one more cork gasket in stock, so I'll put that in and see if we can get it good. All right, we got the new cork gasket installed. Now, let's see what happens if we open this up. It's filling. Let's see if it starts dumping. It's leaking out of the valve. I can see that much. Out of the on-off valve. Oh, this old crap, huh? All right, we gotta tighten that up next, I guess, over here. Ay, you can't win, huh? All right, let's see here. We got the starter cart. You know, it doesn't really line up very good. We need to kind of get it going here. Let's see. There we go. I'm going to give it a shot of ether. I have a feeling that the carb float is messed up. We got neutral. Let's see, where's our throttle? Trying to put it in the middle. Let's see, ready? Gotta be flooded. Look at all that gas coming out. Oh yeah. Let's see. Whoa. Come on, baby.